Good morning, traders. Welcome to the mini Thunderdome. We are live. It is, oh my God, already November 29th, 2023. Almost the end of the year. Hope everyone's doing well this morning. As always, this is pure entertainment. Not liable for any loss or damage to anyone's account. Supposed to be doing your own homework. All right. So decided to start early. I thought I was not gonna take any trades, but I took a trade and I'm already out. All right, like disclaimer. Where are you? Boom. All right. So very choppy start. It took me at least 30 minutes or 35 minutes to go and take a trade. I actually almost called it off. I go, this is a choppy start. Maybe we shouldn't be trading. Very weird start as we could see. The opening that is very choppy. No volume at all in the opening. Actually, very low volume in the overnight too. So for a second, I go, this is weird. And actually, I'm missing some data for. I've reloaded. If you have Ninja, you know that if you right click, you could do reload all historical data, and I did that, and I'm still missing. I'm missing some data from the opening all the way until midnight, and I've called my broker, and he doesn't have an answer for it either. So I don't know what is going on. If you are experiencing the same thing, let me know. But oh my God, I had a little more on this trade. Yeah, here, I'll show you. Where is it? I got scared for a second. I thought I was gonna have to do some chasing this morning, but my analysis was right. All right. So I went short. Oops. I went short right there. So it kept on retesting the opening, and we opened up with a gap. So I went short, and it went up again. I added, and it started to go, oh yeah, I got it right. And then it went past the open. I go, oh no, because we still have that hot target of a 78.29, and then I cleared, and I just cleared, but the gap doesn't close until 46. But I think it will bounce off of 48. So I could have had a little more, but hey, I'm happy. I'm gonna go and switch to MCL. But yeah, so gap closure play. That's what it was. It looked for a second like it was not gonna go, and the reason that I thought it was gonna be a gap closure is because I looked at my daily. I opened the charts in the morning as I always do, and I start going from outside in. So I looked at a daily. What did I see on a daily? All right, hold on. Let me take this stuff out of the way. My trades from yesterday. Where are you? Data. Do not plot. All right, there we go. So, what did I see? I saw that the overnight got rejected at two previous highs. I go, oh, okay, so we're opening all the way down here. Major resistance. Chances are we're going to go for a gap closure. Not a rule, but, it's a play of mine, and I went for it, and it paid off. So, yeah, I'm starting with some great profits, and there it is, gap closure. All right, guys, give me a second here. I'm going to go and switch everything to MCI. There could probably be a long from here, at least a scalp. We have a hot target on the downside of 75.59. Next target on the downside is going to be 75.78. So, and we just went negative. So let's see if they can hold this or not. I'll be right back. Almost there, guys. A second here. All right, here we go. That should be it. I don't think I need more than that. All right, the rest I could work with. I don't gotta switch them all. All right, here we go. Oh, so we passed the gap closure. We still have a gap from yesterday also. So this is why I think that there could be a magnet taking it to the hot target of 75.60. Wow, I could have had a lot more on my trades, huh? But hey, I can't complain. Oh my God. That looks amazing. Look at that. Wow. Yeah. So right where I exited, a whole bunch of icebergs went off. So it was a great target. But actually, as soon as the iceberg started going off, I thought, okay, I'm glad I got off. It looks like they're gonna go. Oh, I'm sorry, Benny. Hold on, guys. I need to go and close the door. I forgot to put the... Benny's scared. I need to put my headphones on. Come here, boy. No? Oh. Poor baby. All right. No wonder he was... Thought something was wrong with him. I forgot to put my headphones on. All right, let's start looking at the charts here. Okay. So even though we have a hot target underneath, I think that we are gonna go back up. And this is why I had exits instead of leaving a runner. Where are we? Yeah, 70. If anything, maybe 76. But I think we're going back up to 77. Yeah. So there could be a long here. Yeah, I think we are done on... So I think we're going to go sideways in here. Let me switch this over. So I believe we're going to go and fill in some volume here. I don't think we're going to go any further down. We are still at a point that they can buy back and take us positive, even though we had a 70 tick rip. Yeah. So we just made a new low, right? Yeah, so we just made a new low. Was it a weak low? Let's see. It was a fairly weak low with a big, not a big, but a quite a significant pullback. So the low was 36, I believe. Our new low is 30. So it might have just been momentum, but can't take any blind trades yet. Here we are. Let's see if it wants to make a new low. If it can't make a new low, then chances are we're going back up. So if it's gonna keep going, it was probably a good idea to go and take a short at 45, to go all the way down to at least 76. All right, I'm gonna take a chance here. I'm only, since I'm not 100% sure on this, I'm gonna take just a one lot. Let's see if it will fill me. Oh, I might have missed it. So first target 76, and then hot target 75. 75.60. If I can, I'll add. But if it starts ripping, I already missed it. So if the trend has changed, which it can have, right? Because now we are negative, had a big rip to the downside. Okay, so I guess it was good. I guess it was good. Look at that. Oh, man. I should have, I almost got in at 40. Ah, bummer. All right. First, what a bummer. Well, I hope one of you guys took it. So now it's looking like pullbacks are scalps, longs are, shorts are long targets. Wow, I am, even though we have a hot target, I am very surprised. That's why I wasn't really keen on taking it. All right, I'm going to cancel that. And if we go back at a daily, we still need to, we are still in the shadow of last, what was it, Monday or Tuesday? So we are basically still in value going sideways. So if you recall yesterday, I believe I said that we needed to pass 78 on the upside, and I think I also said 73.80. So to show that we are on a new trend, we need to go and clear the candle of, I believe, the candle of the 22nd. Come on, Benny. All right, hold on, guys. I'm gonna have to go and put Benny in the room. I'll be right back. He's shaking. 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. Come here, boy. Come here. All right, sorry about that, guys. Let me put headphones on here. Yeah, there's something about the, what is it called again? The market posts on the book map that scares Benny. All right. All right, let me turn these on. All right, there we go. All right, so that was a good trade, huh? Oh, man. I hesitated. I really did. Iceberg sweeps, a whole bunch of stops just hit here at 76. So I still have the soft target at 75.77. Then I have 71. And then the hot target 75.60. Wow, what a start. So they trapped a lot of buyers on that opening. Wow. All right, POC just moved all the way down. Wow. So it was at 77.28 and it moved all the way down to 75.96. So that's a big move. So either it's going to add as support, or it's either going to be support or resistance, right? So we are at a century number, so probably we'll have a pullback here. So if it's going to keep going to the hot target, then there may be an entry to go short. But we have to be careful. Why? Because they may want to hold 76. So it's very tricky to take a trade. So we just did, yeah, it could initiate again. So I would want to see 76.10 before I go short, but it may already start. It may already start. So we are on a triple distribution this morning. So, all right, here we go. So I think that this is the pullback. All right, there could be a short here. I'm going to go and take just a onesie here. No, I'm going to cancel that. All right, I'm going to try it. High risk trade. High risk trade. I really think that we're going back up to 77. All right, a whole bunch of stops are getting hit. There's probably going to be 100 iceberg. Oh, already I missed it. There's already 92 iceberg that hit at 0.98. Yeah, I think we are going back up to 78. I'm sorry, 77. Oh, let me change this. Yeah. I'm going to cancel. Or at least test 76.50. Yeah, again, I'm very surprised. Oh, it was a 74 iceberg. Yeah, if we see anything more than 50 tick pullback, I think we are done on the downside. That's my personal analysis. All right. What do we do there? 26. So there could be a short here. This would be testing this wick here to go short. I'm going to go and stay out of it, but it could be a short. So obviously I would go and test the low and then go all the way down to 60. Let's see how it reacts at POC, if it finds any buyers. Excuse me, guys, I gotta sneeze. Excuse me. Maybe I was a little short. Excuse me. So the first obstacle is 80. Between 80 and 77. 50 iceberg just hit. Have we made a new low? Did we just make a new low? No. It bounced off. Excuse me. So that might have been the pullback. Oh, yeah, they're going. 50 iceberg. I could hear Benny scratching the door. Poor guy. Once he gets on that tilt, he can't snap out of it. All right. Wow, could have had a lot more on my trades, huh? Man, it would have made up for all of last week not trading. But there's no way I would have known. Even though I had these hot targets, yeah. As they say, better one bird in your hand than two flying. But it would be nice to just dream about it a little bit that I left a runner. All right, so there it is. First soft target hit. I'm going to call that as hit. We are one tick away. So next target is going to be 71.71 and then 60. All right, so I called out two nice trades that I didn't take. So I actually should have gotten in at the 45 and stayed all the way till target. Yeah, I have personal issues that once I exited a trend, I find it hard. It's my own personal thing to rejoin it. I start to have doubts. So it's something that I journal through all the time. Are they really gonna keep going? Are they? I keep questioning myself. Are they done? Are they really gonna keep going? So each of us has our own thing, and that is mine. I don't do well on choppy days, and once I get into a trend and I exit, I find it hard to say, oh, it's going to keep going. So I start to question myself. But as always, if I wasn't streaming, I would have been, having a cocktail, but not really. It's 7:30 here, but all right. We may see a pullback here. It can go all the way to POC, which is coinciding with 76. Or it's going to rip again. So it's looking like the pullbacks without momentum, it's looking like it's 15 to 17 ticks. An average. So it may go again. So it right now could be another entry to go short. Again, I'm gonna stay out of it. I'm gonna look for a pullback at 0.60, but it could start again at 80 to go all the way to target. So yeah, it's looking like the pullbacks are about 15 to 16 ticks. Oh! So, what did I miss? 75 ticks already on a trade. Short from point 45. Hope one of you guys took it. Let me know if you did. All right, so that's already 2 soft targets hit. Next is the major one. So we don't want to see more than, I would say, 20 ticks pullback. Or they could be front running. Let's not forget that they front run in crude. So we have a new low of 67. This could be the end. So if you're short, be careful. Be careful. That was a nice little scalp. So if you're short, be very careful. It could be the end. 6 ticks from target. They could be front running. There's interest at 50. There's about 50 limit. What is that? Oh no, it's more. It's 119 orders waiting at 75.50, but none of them are institutional. They're all small lot. So we don't want to see a pass right here. If it does, it could be over. But that was a nice run. 80-point trade. Hope somebody took it. All right, look at that. It could be done. So we killed the first lower high. Next would be, if we clear this, things have changed. And we're going all the way back up to at least 76.50. Okay, we have, if you're on a trade, be very careful. Oil crude report is coming out. It's going to get volatile. Be very careful. All right, here we go. Two minutes or a minute and a half for the report. Right, an iceberg is trying to get filled, initiated at 0.72. They moved it up to 0.82. Here we are at POC. So what is that? That's all. Ooh, look at that. That's over 30 ticks. So it may be over. All right, iceberg. Barclays says fair value forecast for Brent next year. US, it's $93. Woohoo! Look at that. Boom. Wow. So if, all right, that is could be a clue there. Look at that, guys. It didn't kill. It went right one tick under killing that higher low. So that could be a clue that we may not be done to the downside. Production unchanged. But also failed to make a new low. So challenging here. So there could be wow. So the Squawk Box is saying that the market was expecting a draw instead of a build. So we have more supply than demand. So more supply means that usually it would lower the price, right? But look at that. That is, so it failed to make a new low. Also failed to go in. Yeah, very tricky here. I would wait at least 10 minutes to take any trades. But my personal opinion, I think we are done on the downside. But I've been saying that for the past 30 minutes, right? I missed the 80 tick trade because I thought that. So what do I know? Uh, yeah, I think we're going to test 76.50. The report should have made a new low. But if it's going to go down, it's going to go short from 76. So there could be a trade from here going all the way down to target. All right, as I was talking, a whole bunch of icebergs hit. It was 100 at 75.99. It was 50 at 0.95. Another 50 at 0.98. 90 just hit at 0.75. And that one that was all the way at the bottom, he let go of it and he was happy with the 16 lot fill. Yeah, still very volatile here, still reacting to the report. Yeah, I mean, we came so close to 60. Why didn't we just hit 60? Why didn't it make a huge pullback and then when the report came out? So I think we're done. So I'm not going to take any trades until I see a 60 or unless I see a test of 21 and then a retest, and then I may go long again at 76. Yeah, I believe we are done on the downside. We are still at a level that we could take it up to positive. We're only negative 65 ticks. So it could still reverse and go back positive. Here we go. Here comes the buyers. Thank you, buddy, for the email. I appreciate that. Yeah, I was hearing it on the Squawk Box, but that's it. Yeah, you're on top of the reports, and oh, good for you. You took that. Awesome. And one more. So, two traders went short. Well, so one of you had a big run. Good for you. The other one, 30 ticks. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. All right. So, was that the test? Came a little short. I don't know. All right. I'm going to look for longs. All right. I'm going to take a one lot long here. So high risk trade, we could still be in that report run. I'm not report run. Report window. Come on, buyers. So I want to be above these icebergs. Oh, I want to be above 76. So what am I seeing? So at least a test of 19. Come on, come on. Hot knife that 76. All right, I'm going to reduce risk here. So I'm risking $16 to make 48. That is an awesome trade. Come on, come on. Need to hot knife 76. So I'm going to go one tick under here. Come on, launch. Here we go. Here we go. Go, go, go. So I should exit at 16. That's where I should exit. You know, I'm going to do that. So I'm going to act like if I had a runner. because we're still, oh, come on, we're still within the report window. So, Benny, oh, poor guy, he's freaking out. Benny is a rescue. I bought him from a guy who trains hunting dogs. Go, 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 go! And he is very afraid of noises. New Year's Eve. Woohoo! New Year's Eve. Nice little trade. New Year's Eve. 4th of July. Poor baby just freaks out. All right, nice little trade. I think we are on our way back up. But obviously, I think we need to go and clear 21. But nice little trade. All right, starting to get back in the flow here. But we're still not outside of the realm that's showing us that we are going back positive. It may mess around within, let's see, let me make sure. All right, there could be a test going short here, right? Because look at that, it hit right. So there could be a short, but I wouldn't take it. But look at that. My trade could be a good one. Well, I played it like I would if it was a runner, so I don't feel bad. All right, so we broke already 2 lower highs. Let's see if we could pass 60. All right, we are 31 ticks from going positive. The clue will be right here. If we could pass this hot box here, we are on our way back up. So that was a nice little long. So I followed my rule, saw it didn't quite go where I wanted to, but it went close enough that I noticed that it was probably a good idea to go long. So my analysis was perfect. And again, it's looking more and more like they front run at 60. A major target. Everybody's seeing the same thing. If they're doing the same type of homework, support and resistance. So now we are looking like we just did for you Elliott wave guys. This, let's see, on a higher time frame, this right here looks like an ABC. So 1, 2, and that's a C. If it goes all the way down, all the way up to 60, then it's a wave 3, and then it will pull back to the support right here, wave 4, to then launch again and do a wave 5. So look at that. That was a beautiful trade all the way to my target. So I was perfectly right on the analysis that we were done on the downside, but I was just too early So it shows again, it's not where you get in, it's where you get out. So if you're under leverage, I could have moved stops to still stay in the game. All right, we are at decision point. If it can't hot knife this, it's going to go back down. So this could be the end of wave 3. Pull back, wave 4. So the clue is that we cannot get under 80. Perfect time to go and do a FIBO, right? Let's do a FIBO. Ah, look at that. Coinciding at 50. Huh. See? Look at that. The hot box is right at 50. So in my eyes, it's not coincidence because this is what I've trained my mind to see. So, I mean, I don't have any software showing me this. It's just pure screen time of looking for these levels and seeing. But again, where does FIBO start? Is it from here? Is it from here? Is it from here? I think it's from here. But that is my personal opinion. But even if it's from here, we hit 50 and it started to sell off. So are we done? It could just be a wave 4 coming down. I mean, all of this is fairly simple, guys. It's just, So, yeah. All it is just building muscle memory. So all of this here is wave 4. And so there could be a short all the way down to 21. So I may look for a scalp. But it could be an extended 3 also and go even higher. So anything that I take short has to be purely scalp. I'm not going to go for a huge 20 to 30 tick trade. I'm going to go for 10 ticks. So I may look for a short at 60. There's interest at 60. And look at that. The VWAP on Bookmap is coinciding at 0.59. Where is the regular VWAP? Regular VWAP is at 54. So it just hit. Did it just hit? 2 ticks under. Oh, no, it's not. Is it? No, I'm sorry. VWAP is at 51. The RTH VWAP, yeah. It's at 50, actually. All right, so here we go. So here we are. It could be the next kill of a lower high. So I consider this one not this one because this one has sell pressure. Just my own personal opinion, nothing else. And we just killed it, but with sell pressure. Wow, look at that, guys. We are almost at positive. So it was a long from 57, but could have never taken that because of the crude report. But a ballsy trader or someone who was waiting for that target, or it looks like they went long, right? So not someone, many traders went and front run it and went long right before the hot target. So one whole point up. They made some money. Almost a whole point up. Not a bad trade. And you see how, you take off a week. It was bad. They didn't trade last week. So now everybody is in line following structure. They took off a whole week and now they're all following structure again. So look at that. We are positive, guys. We are positive. So it looks like it's an extended wave 3. So if it is, it should end somewhere around here. Wow. So I was wrong of where it was, but I did say that we're gonna go and test 77. And here we are. Almost at 77. What a reversal. So that's what a hard target does. It's support or resistance. All right. This could be the end. There could be a pullback. Let me get my trusty FIBO here. Where would it go down to? Here we go. I'm going to plot it. Okay. And look at that. Right at my hot box. I was a little bit wrong, but look at that sell pressure. So now, if we are going to do, here is the pullback zone. So on a different time frame, not on this one here, this is the wave 3, somewhere in here, wave 4, and then to go and finish at 77. So obviously, not obviously, but I don't believe it'll be, if it starts to pull back, it's not going to be a smooth. It will be probably a 5-wave pattern because it looks like wave 2 was an ABC. So we should see it farther around, slowly pulling back. So there could be a short opportunity if it goes under. So we have VWAP at 58. So maybe there could be a short. Where's 58? So there could be a short if it does if it does this. So here we are at VWAP. And there's the buying pressure. So there could be a short at 68. Oh, it's going. All right. It could be a bounce here to go all the way up to anywhere between. Oh, no. Still going. Maybe the bounce is off of 50. All right. I'm going to take a scalp north. Come on, buyers. Come on, come on. Oh, no. They're selling. They might go for that wave 4 in one swoop. Oh, man. Come on, buyers. Get in there. Get in there. I'm going to go for 77. Let's see. Come on, baby. Go, go, go. I'm going to front run it. 90. 89. Come on. Go, go, go. Come on, buyers. Hold that positive market. Maybe it's a wave 3 on a higher time frame. I'm not seeing it in any of my charts, but I have a feeling that they want to hold this market positive. All right, I'm risking too much here. All right. So risking $11 to make 37. That's not bad. That is great risk versus reward. Iceberg, small iceberg. Oh, come on. I need this VWAP to hold. Now, on a smaller time frame, this could be the ABC. A, B, C, all the way down to go and finish a wave 4. So, high risk trade. High risk trade. Right? ABC. A, B, C, finish wave 4. So I need to see it kill this higher low. Everything here is still a higher low because until we clear this right here, we are still, everything's still higher lows. Come on, come on, go, go, go! All right, I'm starting to get scared now. I may exit this. Come on, buyers. Get in there. So I don't want to see it a test of 50 again. If it does, then it's going to do an ABC. Or it may hit 34, bounce up again to 50, which would be a short wave 3 to go and finish wave 4 down. Here comes the sellers. All right. Yeah, it's looking like a wave 4. Well, I'm glad it's only $11. Looks like 100 iceberg is going to hit at 0.54. The strategic area. Come on, hold it, hold it. Oh, it's going to be a 200 iceberg. It's going to be a 200 iceberg. Already 170 filled. $200 iceberg. Yep, that was a 200. A strategic area. So we are negative 1 tick now. So are they holding the market? And there it is. Go, 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 baby. Woohoo! Oh, man, I wish this was CL. I would have been up $230. I would have been $900 if I would have taken my usual 3. Now we need to go and kill this higher, lower high. It stopped right at it. There's interest at 0.85. 63 lots. Half of it is one big player. Oh, look at the sell pressure. Come on. Come on, buyers, get in there. So true target is a test of 77. I'm just front running 11 ticks. Would be nice if we saw another huge iceberg. If we see another totaling 300, I believe that anytime we see 500 in total icebergs, I believe that it's a change in direction. So, but we could still count. But I usually look at it as in the same level. But we did get a 50 iceberg at 0.55. And then we did get, yeah, that is a total of 500 because we had a whole bunch right at 76. But that's pretty spread out. So I don't know if I'm going to go and count all of the icebergs at the bottom here. It could be clearing of trades. So I would want to see another 300. So this 200 iceberg could be clearing of trades. And look at that. We failed to go and hot knife that level. We're still in the window of doing a wave 4 down. I don't want to be under the iceberg that hit at 0.54. I needed to find support at 60. Ah, man. I wish I had a runner. I would have cleared one at 80. I would have cleared one right there. All right. It could be over. We may start a wave 4. Now, if it's able to go and clear 77, then we're going to go and test inside of this hot box right here. Supply and demand, right? So there's a lot of volume that's exchanging hands inside this hot box. So that is definitely a target. Well, what a wild ride, huh? Hit the hot target all the way back up. So this could actually be a good idea to go and add here. Oh, man. All right, I'm going to add. I'm going to add. I'm going to add. Let's see. And I'm actually going to go and split it. So even though I'm trading micros in my head, I'm still acting like I'm trading the big boy. I'm not just going to go and take extra risk, you know. Doesn't matter what you trade, you still have to, you know. Oh, here, go, 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 go. Oh, go, go, get me out, get me out, get me out, get me out. Get me out. Oh, my God, it's going to hit me. Go, 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 go. Oh, what a beautiful ad. Oh, come on, get me out, get me out, get me out, scale me out. Oh, come on. Oh, that's going to drive me crazy. No. Oh, what was that? 2 ticks? No. Oh, 3 ticks. No. I almost lowered it and got out at 85. Ah. Come on, get me out, get me out, get me out. Scale me out. Go, 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 go. Yes. Go, go, go. Get, 1 tick. Oh my God, it's driving me crazy. All right, I'm going to lower this. 87. Come on, get me out, get me out, get me out, get me out. Yes! Yes! Ha ha ha! Woohoo! Nice. All right. I'm going to go and move it up to 55. So smart money would exit at 77. There's going to be tons of sellers there. But I want to see it go inside of that hot box. So it's looking more and more like it is a wave 3, but on a higher time frame. but I was able to go and see it on a smaller time frame because none of my other, yeah, so not on my 7 and not on my 15 is showing, but it was a clear pattern. So my stop is actually, where did I add? I added at 72. Oh, so my entry became where I added. All right, I'm gonna either I get out at 77, or I move my stop to entry because I believe that it will pull back. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna exit at 98, and then if I have a chance, I'll re-enter. It's hitting a whole bunch of stops already. What an awesome little day. Man, I could have had a $7,000 day. But I'm not going to think about that. I'm happy with what I have. All right. Come on, come on. Happy that I am seeing the patterns. I'm actually going to go and I'm going to request a withdrawal today. And I think I may trade MCL tomorrow only. So again, I'm going to miss Friday. I'm going to miss Monday. Yeah, I want to make sure that I keep my profits from the past 3 days. Get me out, get me out. Go, 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 go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, 2 ticks again. Get me out, get me out. Ah, man, this is crazy. Yeah, I think that it will do a pullback. Go, go. Yes! Yes! Ha ha! Nice. Hell yeah. All right. All right. I think we may see a pullback. So happy I didn't take any shorts here. Again, it would have been a 10 tick. So now it looks like things have reversed. So anything to the downside, to me, it would be a scalp. And looking for long targets on the upside. So if it does pull back, could be anywhere in here. but it could also do an extended maximum wave 3, which would be right in the middle of my hot box. Wow, what a reversal, huh, guys? All right, here we are of where I expected us to be, 77. So that shows us that you never know. You think, oh no, yeah, the market does what it wants. Market does what it wants. I'll bet a lot of traders got caught here at 76, and it's showing because look at all that sell support. Look at all of these. So they started to agree in price and it launched. So I'll bet a lot of retail traders got caught going short here. All right, there could be a short anywhere inside of this hot box. We do have a support and resistance. Let's do this here. I don't want to mix it all, but this is, I believe, consolidation here. So I'll pull back to at least, I would say anywhere between 53 and 47. All right, we're already past the almost hour and a half here of streaming. That was a nice little add-on. Glad I added. I scaled in, scaled out, left a runner. So either is going to start to pull back. Here are the areas that I believe that it will start. Either pull back from here or pull back already. All the way there. Man, I can't believe we're 1 month away from the end of 2023. This year went by quick. Absolutely insane. All right, here we go. They're trying to go and spoof at, they're trying to spoof this whole area here. 50 iceberg just hit. Is it someone clearing? Are they trying to hold 77? So I could have had more in that trade. I don't care. What an amazing month. Not one loser this whole month. But I think I chased a couple of days, but haven't had one negative day as far as ending the day negative. So very proud of myself. But I didn't trade every day. So You don't have to trade every day. I'm gonna keep saying that 1,000 times. I don't know if in a evaluation you have to trade every day. I think with Topstep, I don't think Apex has that. I can't remember. Look at that. Sell pressure. I believe it's going to pull back. I believe it's going to pull back. Yeah. Comes some selling pressure. So a couple of days, it was report days. I chose not to trade. Last week, I didn't trade. But out of all the days I traded, I had no negative days. Yeah, the longer you stay out in the rain, chances are you're going to get wet. All right, they're trying to hold 77. I think it's going to fail. So there could be a scalp. I'm tempted to take a scalp short. All right, I'm going to take, make sure it's on one lot. All right, high risk trade. High risk trade. I only want to go 10 ticks. High risk trade. We still have this hot box above. Oh, 50 iceberg. Hope it's a sell. Go, go. Oh my God. Go, 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 go. Oh, yes. Go, 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 go. Get me out, get me out, get me out, get me out. Oh, man. I looked like I was going to go for a second. Oh, that got so close. That got so close. What was that? 94. 3 ticks away. All right, I may be in trouble here. I should have gone. Come on, get under that. Get under that 90. Right, I may be in trouble here. Come on, come on. Go, go, go. Come on, show me a 90. Come on, sellers. They're trying to spoof. Go, go, go. Here we go. There's interest at 92. Yes! Yes! Ha ha! Nice. If it gets under 82, oh, another iceberg. They were trying to get filled at 0.10 and they lowered it and they got filled at 0.92. Nice little scalp. It could have been $100 on CL. Nice day. So let's see if we can see a 5-wave pattern all the way down to the 50s. Otherwise, if they find buyers here, it's going to go up and it's going to go and check the middle of that box. So there could be a long here from 76. Not 76, I'm sorry. 96. All the way up to top of that box, or what I had before, I think it was 21, right? Middle of it. So let's go and do a 1 minute chart. So 1, 2, or this is 2 here. Maybe this is 2 here. To go all the way down to do an ABC, or yeah, it will have to be an ABC, an extended ABC. Or it could do a wave 3, pull back, and then a truncated 5, a short 5. So 5 will never exceed 3. Sometimes it does, but the rule is that it doesn't exceed 3. I prefer to look at a 2-minute chart. Why does it do that every time I change? I need to fix that. It makes everything disappeared. I called Ninja about it, and they haven't been able to figure out why it does that. If anybody knows how I could fix that, let me know, please. All right, awesome day. All perfect calls. Winner, winner, chicken dinner all day. So let's take a look at the opening. Yeah, the opening is a solid opening. Opening is a solid opening. I think it will be very difficult to make new RTH highs. But Murphy's Law, if it could happen, it can happen. But I'll be very surprised if we go above 40. But still have hot targets. I only have one hot target, that is 78.29. But I have a soft target at 77.68. I have another soft target at 77.94, then 78 even, and then 78.06. So can we do a full reversal and go up 1.5 points? I missed the geo news here. U.S. continues to be concerned about possibility of further spillover of Gaza conflict, according to U.S. envoy to UN. Well, that's soft geo news. That is not straight out of the Gaza Strip. All right. Or maybe this is now wave 2. Now this is more like a solid wave 2. Or a wave B. I'm tempted to take another short. So there could be a short right here at 98. I am tempted to take another short. All right, I'm going to take a short. High risk trade. Oh, go, 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 go. Oh, oh no, not again. Go, 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 go. Get me out, get me out, get me out. Ah. Get me out. Do not pull back. Ah. Oh my God. That was a one tick again, wasn't it? Ah. All right, I'm going to exit. Oh my God. Come on. Come on, get me out, get me out. All right, that should have got me out. That's a lot of buying pressure. Oh my God. Go, 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 go. Oh, a lot of buying pressure. Battle of 77. Oh man. Come on. Go, 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 go. Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Oh. All right, I'm going to take a chance here. I'm going to add one more. Could be it. Oh, no. Give myself a little more room here. Come on. Show me an 85. This could be a huge mistake. It looks like they're trying to hold 77. Yeah, it's going to take me out. All right, I'm going to add myself a little more risk here, but I think I'm in trouble. Yeah. I shouldn't have added. Yeah, it's going to go right inside of my box. Yeah. Wow, I made a mistake on adding. Man, one tick. I would have been out of this trade. And I add into a bad trade. All right, I'm going to give myself a little more room here, but this is a mistake. And since I'm doing that, I'm going to go and join these. But I think I added into a bad trade. Man, one tick. One lousy tick. And there we are. We're getting close to that hot box. Yeah. It looks like they're holding a... Yeah. Come on. Yeah. I'm going to give myself a little more room here, but this is a bad trade. I should have. I was just looking for a scalp, and I missed it, and now I added, and that's a bad trade. Now I'm stuck. I have to admit, I'm stuck. I'm trying to make a bad trade into a good trade. So the only thing I could do is add more and scale in to scale out. But I did say that this could be all a holding point, so I may get lucky. I may get lucky. But oh, bummer. All right. First loss of the day. 31. I'm going to give myself just a little more here just in case it could end at 29. Oh, bummer. All right, I'm going to go and scale in. Let's see if, man, that I got to admit that put me on tilt. That put me on tilt. And now I need to be careful not to go further into tilt. I mean, if I go and add 2 more, I could probably exit at 77. But I could be completely wrong on the read, and we're going to go and clear 44 and start going towards 78.29. Bummer. All right. I'm going to add. This could be a huge mistake. Oh, what did I do? No! Oh my God! I closed my trades. Ah. All right, guys, I'm done trading. Ah. Not only did I add, but I cleared everything. So it made a loss into a bigger loss. Yeah, that's what happens when you go on tilt. You make mistakes. That's why it's good to walk away. I'm glad that was only MCL. Oh. I want to change the ATM strategy and I clicked close all. I mean, the buttons are not even close to each other. All right, guys, I'm done. Don't want to make any more. mistakes here. All right, guys, that's it. I'm done. I need a break. All right. Hope you guys had a great morning. Lots of amazing calls. But the trade was, while I was streaming, it was short from, what was that? It was 76.45, I think it was. I think that was 76.45 all the way down. And then I didn't call along from the low, but I did say that it was probably a front run, and chances are we're going back up to 77, and here we are. So called out a whole bunch of awesome little trades. So hopefully you guys had the same homework, were seeing the same thing as I was seeing, and you're able to follow along and make some money. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you live tomorrow morning. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you.